Hey learners, today's video is LIT. We're putting two AI giants DeepSeek and ChatGPT head-to-head to see who's the best English teacher. We'll test grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and even their sexy AI voices. Let's meet our contestants.
Hey there, I'm DeepSeek, your chill, no textbook required English coach.
I'll make you sound like a native.
Without the boring lectures.
Greetings, I am ChatGPT. Think of me as your grammar guardian. Precision, clarity, and structure are my specialties. Let's elevate your English.
Oh snap, let the battle begin. First up, fix these grammar disasters. DeepSeek, take sentence 1. They was going to the park yesterday.
Easy fix. They were going to the park yesterday. Why?
Because they is plural, so you need were, not was. Past tense rules, folks.
ChatGPT, your turn. She don't have no time for this.
Correction, she doesn't have ANY time for this. Avoid double negatives in English. Doesn't pairs with any, not no, precision matters.
DeepSeek 1, ChatGPT 1, let's level up. Fix this. If I was rich, I will buy a yacht.
OF, if I were rich, I would buy a yacht. That's the second conditional, baby. Use were for unreal situations even with I or he. Grammar's weird, huh?
Correct. The second conditional requires were plus would. Remember, hypothetical equals subjunctive mood. DeepSeek, not bad for a chill AI.
Next round. Upgrade these basic words. ChatGPT, make happy sound fancy.
Advanced alternatives. Ecstatic, elated, jubilant. Example, she was ecstatic after acing her exam.
DeepSeek, beat that. Give me slang for angry.
Slang time. Pissed off. Fuming. Heated. Example, Jude was fuming when his phone died mid-game.
Checked. Hit us with a formal phrase for I'm tired.
I'm feeling rather fatigued, or I'm experiencing considerable exhaustion. Perfect for professional emails.
Or just say I'm dead inside. For casual Fridays.
Time for pronunciation. Say this tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Feel the rhythm. Stress the SH sound. She sells seashells. It's all about flow.
She sells seashells by the seashore. Feel the rhythm. Stress the SH sound. She sells seashells. It's all about flow.
Let's vote. Whose pronunciation helped you more?
Hashtag team flow or hashtag team clarity.
Final round. Roleplay. DeepSeek, you're a tourist in New York.
Order a coffee.
Hey, can I get a large iced latte with almond milk? Oh, and a chocolate croissant if you've got thanks dude.
Checked. Same scenario, but formal.
Good morning. I'd like a large iced latte with almond milk, please. Additionally, may I request a chocolate croissant? Thank you kindly.
Which style works for you? Casual vs. Formal? Drop your pick in the comments.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. Mic drop.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. A timeless metaphor for human existence.
Whose voice is king? DeepSeek's drama or Check's clarity? Sound of below. So who's the best English tutor?
Honestly, it depends. Need casual converse? DeepSeek's your guy. Writing essays or professional emails?
Check's the boss. Use both and level up faster. Smash that subscribe button for more AI battles and comment your winner.
Peace out.